Hello everyone, in today's video we have a darling of the 1970s, the inimitable Electrolux Z345. This example all the way from 1977 with a 750 watt motor and of course replete with the automatic cleaning head. I am expecting great things from this machine and I don't expect to be disappointed. And there's only one way to find out. Test! Step 1. Thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2. Weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Let us weigh the 345's dust bag. And we come in at 40 grams. Okay, 40. Brilliant. Okie dokie, here we go. 345, are you ready? Amazon Digital Assistant, are you ready? I am ready. Let's do this thing. Alexa, timer, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting.
Alexa, stop. Right, let's weigh this bad boy's bag. Okie dokie, we started with 40 grams and we ended up with 134 grams. Pretty good. Well, I expected great things from our luxury Electrolux from 1977 and it did not disappoint. We started with a bag weight of 40 grams. We ended with a bag weight of 134 grams, which means the 345 is currently in the lead by extracting 94% of the sand out of the carpet. And that is absolutely fantastic. For a straight suction machine to just whip out 94% is absolutely amazing. So big congratulations to the 345. Can anything beat it? That's the question. Can anything beat the best or one of the best cylinder vacuum cleaners from the 1970s? Keep watching to find out. You guys take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.